Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. God bless you. Today I want to show you the ingredients for making bleach, that is hypo. First is the soda ash, then here I have caustic soda, then I have chlorine. There are just 4 ingredients. The fourth one is hydrogen chloride, HCl. That is the only liquid ingredient. The first one, that is soda ash, is 1 kg, 1 kilogram of soda ash. And then that water I have in the bowl is 25 liters of water. So I poured my soda ash into the bowl of water. Then you have to stir so that the process of dissolving the soda ash can start. So I stirred for a while, and then next I have to add my caustic soda. Please, when you are making your own, especially for beginners, try and wear your hand gloves and your nose mask. Your hand glove is against caustic soda because it's very corrosive, and your nose mask against chlorine so that you don't inhale it, all right, because it's choking, chlorine and HCl. So I added my soda ash. The first one I added was soda ash. Now the second one is caustic soda. So 2 of them are inside the bowl of water that I'm stirring. Now you stir again for a while before you add the third ingredient and the last of the solid ingredients, which is a very active ingredient in making of hypo or bleach. So we add, that is chlorine. Chlorine is the combination of chlorine and caustic soda plus soda ash is perfect because they are cleaning agents and they will brighten your white. So I added my chlorine. My chlorine is about 1 kg. The one I just poured is 125 grams, while this one is 500 grams. So that is about 625 grams of chlorine. So I stirred very well again, stirred it very well because all of them have to mix together properly before you continue. Then this 4th ingredient will not be added now until the bleach is ready. For some people, they leave it for 3 days, but I always leave my bleach for 7 days. At the end of 7 days, the 7th day, I will show it to you. You will see that there is a big change in the color. That is even when I will now add my HCl. So I covered it like this and leave it for 7 days. So after 7 days, you can see the color has changed. What you will do is just to filter it, sieve it, and then you add your chlorine. Please make sure you are wearing a nose mask when you are adding chlorine. Thank you.